From the day we arrive on the planet and blink and step into the sun, there's more to be seen that can never be seen, more to do than can never be done. Some say eat or be eaten, some say live, live and let live. But all are agreed as they join the stampede, you should never take more than you give in the circle of life. It's the wheel of fortune, it's the leap of faith, it's the band of hope, till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle of life. Some of us fall by the wayside, and some of us soar into the stars, and some of us sail through our troubles, and some have to live with the scars. There's far too much to take in here, more to find that can never be found. But the sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps the great and small on the endless round in the circle of life. It's the wheel of fortune, it's the leap of faith, it's the band of hope, till we find our place on the path unwinding in the circle of life. It's the wheel of fortune, it's the leap of faith, it's the band of hope, till we find our place on the path unwinding of life. On the path unwinding, yeah, in the circle of life. Thank you very much.
Hey, well done, buddy. Awesome stuff.
Good. Once I remember the words in the beginning.
Yeah, man. But like I said, it's really different when you're performing on a camera like this with no music or nothing. It's very different. But Louise, what did you think of his performance?
I really love your voice. You've got like kind of almost like a classically trained kind of tone, which is really clean and lovely. And I think you can kind of use your voice in a lot of different settings. Like when I listen to you, I think, you've got that classical side to you, but I can also see you singing pop. You've got kind of like a Rag and Bone Man vibe.
Yeah.
Like I can see you singing those sort of songs. But your range was lovely as well. I think like with a little bit of help and a bit of work, like I think you could really improve your top range, like those top notes, and get them a lot easier. But I thought it was a lovely performance and I really enjoyed it. Well done.
Kel, what did you think?
Yeah, I really, really enjoyed that. I think you can do so much with your voice. You've got a really, really smooth tone, and I think you'll be able to adapt to any sort of challenge thrown at you, any sort of style. I think you've got stacks of potential. I love the sort of like the rocky edge that you threw in, you know, the like gruffy growl. Yeah, overall I thought that was a fantastic audition. Well done, you should be proud of that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, but what I really liked about it is that, you know, like you've come into this and I'm sat here and I'm thinking how much of experience you've had before this, because obviously, can I ask how old you are again?
27.
27, so you're 27. Have you done anything like musical before, like obviously this?
I've done the Welsh Factor years and years ago, a couple of times, and I've done the bit from the circuit, then I just stopped singing.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm starting to get back into it a bit now.
Yeah, well, that's the thing. Like with the pandemic going on, I suppose for all of us is like with the music scene is kind of being killed at the moment. So I think everyone's just trying to get something on the go so they can get some feeling going and that. But back to your voice, in terms of your voice, I definitely think you've got a great voice there. Lots and lots of potential. And the thing is, when you come into a process like this, you learn so many new things along the way. And you learn new techniques and different things you can do as an artist. So I think for me, watching you and how you sing as an artist there, definitely like a theatrical tone in your voice there. But I think you could learn and benefit from something like this, especially on the themed weeks where we challenge you a little bit more. I definitely think you could benefit overall.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Louise?
Yeah, I would love to work with you, so I'm going to say yes.
Yes from you, yeah?
Yeah, yes
Okay.
from
Kel?
me.
Yeah, yes from me.
Yeah, 100%, but 3 yeses, all right? So we definitely want to see you again.